Hi, Michelle Castle here. Today talking to you about the Homestyle Renovation Loan Program. So for the last couple of months, actually it's been a little bit longer than that. It has been really a year. I've got a renovation team that's really been working closely with our corporate office to come up with a very streamlined, systems-oriented, smooth process for the Homestyle Renovation Loan Program available through in-house service retained product. So it's been a learning curve as the corporate office was even trying to come up with some really good processes and systems to make sure that we are able to offer the product without compromising the level of service that we have all come to appreciate about Guild. So I've got a renovation team put in place and we are ready to roll out to the region. So what that means for you is that if you are interested in offering the Homestyle Renovation Fannie Mae loan program that we have available that's service retained and not service release, we are ready for you. So I have a loan officer that's specializing in these products. Now I handpicked him based on his amazing ability to explain and his assistant Jamie's ability to articulate and really just good checklist and good accountability to make sure that we set realistic expectations with the customer and the agents, both agents, and the seller knows what to expect as far as turn time is concerned. These are more difficult transactions. So if you do much construction lending, you of course do purchase loans, just remember you're combining those two loan programs together plus the Texas laws that apply to both of those transactions. It's not an easy transaction, but it is much needed in our market. So if you've got a need and a desire to really provide more products whenever you're talking to your agents, you're talking to your customers, then this might be a great option for you. So what you need to do is go to Guild University, take all of the courses available for the Homestyle Renovation and get very familiar with the guidelines, because it's going to be your job as the initial originating loan officer to know those guidelines, to take a really good, thorough loan application, do your income worksheets, run your AUS for the max amount that they want to be pre-approved for. After that loan is set up, before they go under contract, then you're going to refer it to our renovation specialist, Andrew McLeay, in our McKinney office. Then he's going to make sure that all parties to the transaction totally understand what that loan process looks like and how much time it will take. Then once everybody knows, he'll make sure that that contract is written right, disclosed correctly, and we get that loan into underwriting just as quickly as we get the paperwork that we need from the contractor, we get the contractor approved, we get everything that we need from the borrower. And remember, it's a two-step appraisal process that takes a little bit longer too. These loan programs come at a higher interest rate. They come with tons more paperwork. They require a lot of coordinating between agents, seller, because you got to get multiple access to the property. So you've got everybody has to be working together along with the contractor. Everybody's got to move quickly and totally understand what's expected of them. But if you are up for the challenge and are really looking for a way to bring your business to the next level in 2020, get with Andrew. He's happy to go over that process with you and explain what you can expect moving forward and how you should market that product to your business partners. Keep in mind too, we've got a lot of refinancing going on. So it might be a great way for you to reach out to your database and talk to your customers about refinancing using the Homestyle Renovation. Again, educate yourself before you get out there and start originating those products. If you have any questions, Andrew McLeay in our McKinney office, send him an email and let him know, hey, I'm interested in being able to offer this product to my business partners and my customers. What do I need to do next? And he'll let you know what that process is. Hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.